Well, this is Bobby at Copal TV Repair with a quick video meant for eBay customer texasman872 who had sent us that main board for Vizio M65-c1, saying that it has no power on 24 volt output pins here, I suppose, per our video on how to test the board. I believe I said there we measured them here on the electrolytic capacitors. You can easily see that the positive lead of those two leads to the positive output on that connector, and the ground leads to ground. So it's going to be easier to do it that way. This is the board I tested with the 24 volts being there. I don't know whether it's right to say present or present. Those are the 24, and this is where I'm holding. They're right there. This is how the board is signaled. Simple divider, a voltage, so that it supplies, I believe that's in the sample video, so that it supplies logical 1 to the power on. Of course, there is 390 volts here. There would be no 24 if there was no 390 here, and that board is working. If it does have an intermittent issue, of course it is possible that it may not be showing it, but as we say in our stock messages, we cannot fix a problem that we do not see, and this is the case here. So sorry, we'll have to be returning it. Thanks.